Hello everyone. Today let us see how many genes are there in human genome. So according to how we define the genes, the number of genes in the human genome may vary. So the genes are classified into two types according to the gene products. So, according to central dogma, we have DNA that contains the genes, and this DNA is transcribed into a mRNA, right? And this mRNA is then translated into proteins, right? This is the proteins, this translation process. And this DNA can self-replicate. This entire thing is what we call as central dogma. Now, if you think about these genes, their final end product are proteins. So such genes whose final end product, the gene product, are proteins, they are called as protein coding genes. Okay, so since the completion of human genome project till now, we have identified approximately about 20,000 to 25,000 such genes. Okay, still research is going on, so we do not know definitively how much, but about 20 to 25,000 protein coding genes are there. At the same time, we have other sets of genes which are present in our DNA. Okay, for them, the gene product, the end product, is simply a functional mRNA. It doesn't produce protein, but a functional mRNA. This is their gene product. Such genes which are non-protein coding, they are simply called as non-coding genes. Okay, so they are also now considered as genes. Earlier, the definition of genes were those segments which code for a protein, but now we have identified the other segments of our genome which are very, very important and have some functional products made, like a functional mRNA. So those are also considered now as a gene, and they are simply called as non-coding genes. And we have identified approximately 20,000 to 25,000 such genes as well. And again, this is not a final conclusion. Lots of research is going on. So by some years in the forward, this numbers might change. But as of now, we have about 20 to 25,000 non-coding genes as well. So if you combine both, we have about 20,000 to 50,000 genes in our genome. This is the total number of genes we are having.